analyse yourself.
Yes.
I think this is a really big important one as well too. So recording yourself and analyse yourself, and see whether you can hear if you're a little bit flat, and then try to fix that and record that again. So I think recording and analysing is a very, very important thing.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you're still having troubles, I say seek professional help. Get some singing lessons.
Get a singing teacher.
Get a great singing teacher, because it will save you a lot of time and a lot of heartache. And I took singing lessons for a long time when I was young, and it really helped me progress the way that I wanted to progress. And I think also as well too, you'll find a singing teacher that's good for you. You might need to try a couple. And I tried numerous singing teachers, and I knew what worked for me and what didn't. And even the ones that weren't that great, there was always 1 or 2 points that I took away from them. So I think that's a big thing. But self-analysation, so recording yourself, and even on video, seeing what you're doing, you can see what your mouth's doing. But then again, don't be too overly critical. Focus on 1 point. Say, okay, what's the point that sounded the worst? Was it my pitch? Was it my articulation? Was I running out of breath? So focus on one thing and one thing only, and just work on that. That's all what I can really sort of say is record yourself and self-analyse.
Mm-hmm. And recording yourself is also great. For example, in a few months, when you return and you watch your first recording, you go, "Oh my God, I improved so much! Now I can do so much better with this song."
I think it's great that you see that you set benchmarks. But you can also put this on YouTube and say, look, guys, this is how much I've improved. This is the work that I've done. And a really big point with that is you can see some early Ed Sheeran stuff in his early teens when he was playing and singing, where he wasn't that great, and he wasn't that great at all. And he's really improved, and he's put the hard work in. And I also think that for more of the rock guys, there's a band called Tool out there, when they're probably the biggest progressive rock band ever.
Come on, Tool, release your new album already. How much longer can we wait?
But you can actually see Maynard sing sober on that before he joined Tool, and it was awful. It was really not good at all. And then you can see the improvement that he's made over, I think it was the year or two, when he was obviously taking lessons and getting better and improved. So there are lots of things that you can look up, guys. There's another guy from a band called Iron Maiden, and he's actually, you can go onto YouTube and you can actually listen to his very first demo. His first demo song was called Dracula. So you can listen to Bruce Dickinson's very first demo. It's awful. It's bad. And he is probably one of the best singers going around. Absolutely amazing. So this just happens with work, but that's just self-assessment. So he would have heard that and said, look, I'm going to go and do this and this, and and you can do that yourself as well too.
Yeah.
Guys, we'll see you singing hopefully up on stage. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, or get in contact with us on any social media, and we'll be sure to get back to any of your questions. If we think the question is a ripper, we will make a video for you. Signing off. Thanks, Sam. High five.
Woo!
See you guys.
Talk soon.
Bye-bye.